Hi there. So, in order to fix the audio crackling issues in your Halo Infinite gameplay, it's simple to fix this. If this resolves your issue, please subscribe to my channel. The first thing you need to just go to the settings, go to audio, on the hardware, select it as compress mode, click on the Windows button, go to your speakers, right click on it, open sound settings, go to device properties or whatever your speakers are, and click on disable. This will disable the speaker, and then re-enable it again. Once you re-enable it again, you will hear no crackling issues or no crackling sounds coming in. So I hope this resolves your issues. Thank you so much.